Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen of the YouTube world? You got the old Mongo man here making that trip out to the shop where in a winter wonderland here once again. Out here in southwestern PA, we're getting a couple inches of snow tonight. And, well, I'm going to come out here and see if I can't get something accomplished tonight. Not real sure what that something's going to be, but let's see if we can get something accomplished. All right. Nice and warm in here. All right, so we made it out here in the garage. Like I said, nice and toasty out here. Shoot, I don't even know what the temperature is. I bet you it's 70. 62 degrees. And this is what we're into tonight. I got this cupboard off of church, and I knew at the time that it was rotten. And I actually beat it back out and got it in somewhat shape to where I could use it. Well, obviously, whenever we moved it here to put the wood stove in, I kind of destroyed it. So we're going to get this beat out and then put a couple pieces of angle iron back in the back corners, tack them on there, and call it a day. Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? Got the old Mongo man here. If you didn't know how that's spelled, it's on the wall now. Yeah. Tonight was a successful night in cleaning the garage. We got a couple things done. Obviously, I put the Mongos up on the wall there behind us. I've had that Mongos for almost a year now. I bought it in Amish country over in Ohio, and just haven't put it up yet. But the main thing we got done tonight was I rebuilt the cupboard and got it put over here. Now, if you guys remember, the cupboard used to live over where the wood stove is at. And if you look over there, that black toolbox, that black toolbox, if you guys didn't know, is actually an all-steel handmade toolbox that was fabricated at Weirton Steel by one of the guys there. And it's a really interesting toolbox. I bought it with that snap-on side box, but I use it for all the kits. That's where all the kits are at. So it used to live over there, and now we've got it out of there, and I put the cupboard over there. And the reason we need the cupboard is because that's where I've got all the, essentially the liquids and paints and lubricants. There's all the oils, more oils, parts cleaning thing, gallon of cat yellow. And then this is $2,000 worth of material for the Bronco. That's all the paint and the interior coatings. And then this is just random stuff up here, some the muds up there and all of that stuff. I like to keep that stuff up off the floor and in this cupboard. So give you guys a nice view of all the stickers that are on the cupboard. If anybody out there has any stickers that they want to donate, I can put them on the cupboard, and I got other places in here we can put them. It is still, I don't know, 65 degrees in here. I had it nice and toasty while we were fixing that. And then, like I said, I put some of this stuff, everything in here is on wheels because it is such a small space and we do so many different things that you have to be able to, you know, cycle between the parts and the things that you use, so it's just one of those things. Nice little roundabout. Tomorrow night we're going to clean these off, try and get things sorted up there now that Pat's out of here, and we'll go from there and figure out what's going on. Everything up there in that top bay is for my Shelby, and that bay right there is all Bronco stuff. That's all Bronco stuff, and the bay above that is 67 Chevelle stuff. These two bays were all Super Duty stuff. Well, we're just about out of the Super Duty business, and then that over there was all Pat. So, well, I say we're just about out of the Super Duty business, but actually KJ, I think tonight got back into it. And after I'm done rambling on here, I'll let you see what he did tonight. But that's really all I got to add. Be a short little video tonight, just more of a blog than anything. A vlog than anything else. Just simply because obviously there's no project in here right now. I'm trying to get things sorted and cleaned and ready for the next project. So it won't be long and we'll get that charger in here and we'll keep moving. Heater just kicked on. I do have it shut down all the way, but it does still get warm enough to kick the fans on once in a while, and it does so to keep things cool. So, all right, guys, that's it for tonight. Again, thanks for watching. If we have earned your subscription, by all means, go down there at the bottom and hit that subscribe button, and we'll keep going here and keep posting videos for you guys with daily content of what happens here in Mongo's garage. All right, see y'all later. Mongo's out.
Well, another snowy day here at Mongo's garage, and got a new project. We got B-racks here. I'm doing her off the truck. Good old pintle hitch. She was a little bit squatted, but man, I tell you what, that 300 towed her right home, no problem. It's an extended cab long bed, 5.4. It's got a blown plug on it. Of course, all the 5.4s, but it's not too bad. I mean, it's rotten. Of course, it's what you're gonna have, but the interior is in pretty decent shape. Doors are obviously junk. I think all the door panels and stuff are pretty nice. It does have a almost brand new transmission in it, the guy was telling me. It's rotten, of course, but it's got a whole like brand new exhaust on it. Most brand new transmission, transfer case. Said he just had a rear end put in it too. So yeah, if you guys need any parts, just let me know. These tires are like brand new. Yep, it's the new rig. Time to part it out.